Wanted man Neeko killed in alleged shootout with the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. St. Andrew North most wanted Keith Neeko Newman was shot and killed by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Wednesday morning. Neeko was on the police radar for several murders, including 2 schoolboys who were shot and killed last year on December the 12th at Erie Castle Main Road in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. He was also wanted for the murder of Adrian Hines, a 37-year-old man who was shot at his gate in Erie Castle Main Road. The police are tight-lipped as it relates to the operation that was carried out. However, the Independent Commission of Investigation is currently investigating the matter. Neeko was also a person of interest in a shooting incident that occurred just last week. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.